Today, you will learn how to change default font in Word permanently, so every new document automatically starts with your favorite font and size. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. This is a one-time setting that will save you time forever. Launch Microsoft Word. Click on Blank Document to open a new file. Look at the Font section on the Home tab. In the bottom right corner of the font group, you'll see a tiny arrow. Click that arrow. This opens the full font settings window. Now select your favorite font style, font size, font style like regular, bold, or italic, and any other settings you like. Take your time and set it exactly how you want every document to look. At the bottom of this window, click Set as Default. A new message will appear asking, do you want this font for this document only or for all documents? Choose All Documents based on the Normal.dotm template. Then click OK. Click OK again to close the font window. Close Word completely. Open Word again and create a new blank document. You'll see your selected font is now the default. No need to change it again. This setting works because Word saves your preference in a file called the Normal.dotm template. Every new blank document uses this template. Now you know how to change the default font in Word permanently with a simple one-time setup. This small trick makes a big difference in your daily work. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more super simple, high-value Microsoft Word tutorials made especially for beginners.